Hi, grade 3 Egyptian syllabus. Today it will be this video for Discover grade 3 second term. I would like to follow me in this video to benefit from what we learned during this video. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos to send you new videos. Today it will be for Discover grade 3 Egyptian syllabus second term. I would like to know this because the one who watch me on this video know who can watch this video. Okay, I would like to go now to our lesson today. Today I will start grade 3 discover for second term by the first chapter in theme 3. Here is the first chapter, which is origin. Okay, origin means the main thing or the core of the thing. Okay, this is called the origin. What is the origin? First of all, I would like to define the origin with me or to learn origin with me. Origin is used to describe the source or cause of something. We must know this definition. Origin is used to describe the source or cause of something. Like what? In this term, we learn the parents and the traits that transport from parents to offspring or children. As parents are the origin, okay, of many traits. We have such eye color, hair color, skin color. For example, I would like to know this with me. If your father have black eyes or brown eyes, so these brown eyes or black eyes or yellow eyes or any color of eyes transport from parents to the offspring or son. This is the meaning of origin, means the traits that transport from parents to offspring or children by the color of hair, color of eye, color of skin, and so on. Okay, here we say the timeline shows important events, in order over a period of time. So here in this part, we learn from this. We learn this topic, and we have here questions to practice what we learn. The origin is source or cause of something. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it's right, as we know here. The timeline shows important events in order over a period of time. Yes, this is correct. Let's go to another thing, which is inherited traits. What is the meaning of inherited traits here? Inherited traits means the traits that passed or transported from parents to their babies or offspring. Okay, like as we know in the previous part, we know eye color, hair color. So if your color, if they are birds or animals or anything, okay. So eye and hair and skin is for a human, and fur and another things for animals. Okay. Here is we say for color. For color, here is for color for like animals and birds and so on, or feathers also. Okay, are examples of inherited traits. Traits traits here means hair color. Traits here means hair color, reading, mouth shape, writing, nose shape, riding a bicycle. So here we have traits. The traits that must transported from the person. It will be here hair color. It will be here mouth shape. It will be here nose shape. Writing is not inherited traits. Okay, so this is the classification of inherited and not inherited traits. The inherited traits here, it will be here color, mouth shape, and nose shape. Not inherited traits, it will be reading, writing, and riding bike. Let's go to another one. Match each offspring with each appreciate parents. So here we have parents, and we have here the offspring of these parents. Here is the chicken. So I select the big chicken by small one. Cat, I select the big one by small one. Bird, this one by this one. Okay, let's go to another one here, lesson 3, which is talking about acacia tree and water lily. I think all of us learned this with me before, and now I explained for the new students. if we want to go to the previous videos and benefit from what I told before, you can go on and watch it again to review. But I would like to know from these new videos, because we have here, I adding some information here in these videos. Here we have lesson 3, acacia tree and water lily. Okay, we say here water lily or lotus. Let's know more about these plants and these plants. Okay, acacia tree. What is the acacia tree, and what is this acacia tree doing, or what's the features of this tree? Acacia tree adapts in to living in desert habitat. So acacia tree plants in what? In desert habitat. Lake of water needs lake of water. It has long roots. Why have long roots? To reach deep underground water. So these long roots help us to reach deep underground water. The branches have long thorns. Here is thorns. This is the thorns. Okay. Why these thorns? To stop animals from eating it. So the thorns is the prevent animals from. We use it as to fight animals, not to eat its leaves. Let's go to water lily. Lettuce adapts to living in fresh water. Lotus or water lily living in fresh water habitat. The stems are long and flexible. Long and flexible. Why? To fix the plants in the mud. This is the mud. Okay. The top of the leaf is waxy. Waxy means you have wax. Have something like when we see new candle. This is like this. Okay, waxy to keep water out. It has big round leaves. Why this big round leaf? Absorb sunlight. This big round leaf to absorb sunlight. Here is an exercise here in this part. Acacia tree and water lily live in desert. Both live in desert? No. Acacia tree only live in desert, but water lily live in fresh water. So here is wrong. This is the sentence wrong. Water lily plant has big round leaf to absorb sunlight. Yes, as we know here during this part. Okay. Here is to absorb here sunlight. Let's go to another one. Acacia tree has thorns in its branches. Yes, have thorns. Why these thorns? What is the function of these thorns in this? What's the function of these thorns? These thorns is for what? For stopping stop animals from eating its leaves. Okay, so here is so acacia tree has thorns in its branches. Yes, acacia tree has very long roots. Why? To reach water. Water lily plants lives in fresh water. The stem of lily water plants are here is short and flexible or long and flexible. As we know here, it will be here what? Long and flexible. So the answer here, it will be long and flexible. Here is bladder. Let's go to the bladder. The last lesson here. Here is the last lesson here in this part. All about bladder. Okay, the bladder means the thick skin of animal. Okay, what all about bladder? Animals depend on their traits. Why traits? To survive in their habitat, such as the bladder in the polar bear. Okay, so this is the main strong thick skin for this animal to help this animal from cold weather. Okay, in Arctic zone, the weather is very cold. The polar bear has the layers of fat and bladder of its body. Why? To keep it warm. The bladder is thick fat. So the bladder here is thick fat with many blood vessels. Camouflage. Let's go to something called camouflage. Means the act of blending into environment. Camouflage means the animals or the insect or anything changing the color to prevent other animals from fighting him or eating him. It's the act of blending into environment through the use of colors or patterns. A polar bear has a white fur that helps it blend into snow as it sneaks up on its prey. Today we end from chapter 1 in theme 3 in your book Discover. Next class, I will start chapter 2. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.